Hello everyone. Welcome to Shri Rama Bharati Public School online platform. Today we are continuing same chapter number 9, log on to animate CC. And today in this video I will explain you frame by frame technique to animate. So if we want to provide animation, so we use frames. So basically, animations are created with the help of frames. Frames can be defined as the little rectangular cells which appear on the timeline. As you know, under the stage, at the bottom of the stage, we find timeline, and the timeline is divided into a number of frames. So with the help of that frame, we can create the animation. So frames are used to control and organize the content of your movie. So with the help of frame, we can organize our movie. We can set the timing for the movie or different content of the movie. Next is keyframe. Keyframes are special types of frames where we can define change in the object for an animation like position, color, shape, etc. So you can look at here. This is my timeline. This is my timeline. So you can see number of frames are here. Little white color rectangular cells you can look at here. These are called frames. Like this one is fifth number frame, then 10th, and like that. These all are called frames. And this small one circle, this one, this is called keyframe. By default, timeline contain only one keyframe. So according to requirement, we can make a number of keyframe to change the position, color, shape of the object. So for that purpose, we can create the keyframe. So in this window, you can see this one small circle. It represents the keyframe. So let's start how to do frame by frame animation. So this is timeline, and you can look at here. Timeline is divided into a number of frames, and by default there is one keyframe at 1. So now I'm making one object or one shape. I'm making a star, so I have choose the polystar tool. As in the previous video, I have already explained this polystar tool also. So with the through the tool settings, we can choose either polygon or the star. Under the style, number of sides and star point size you can change according to your requirement. Click on OK. Now just draw a star. So as you know, we can change the stroke color or fill color also according to our requirement. And now I am making one keyframe. Like I want to create a keyframe on 30 number frame. So just click on that particular frame and right click on it and just click on insert blank keyframe. So we can choose this option from here also. And for example, if I want to make one more keyframe, blank keyframe here at the 60 frame or here. So one method is just right click on it. The second method is go to insert menu, and here under the timeline we will find the option what we want to do. We want to insert a layer, frame, keyframe. Just click on keyframe. So I have made the keyframes here, and again I am making the star shape, and I am doing some changes from the property inspector. So which one you want to provide, you just change according to your requirement. We can provide here also. I have made one more keyframe, so I'm just drawing one more star shape. And from the property inspector, I am just giving the stock color and inside color. According to our requirement, we can change, we can provide according to requirement. So like that, you can make as number of keyframe as you want. So just click on the frame and then just right click or go to the insert menu and click on insert blank keyframe. And after that, draw whatever you want to draw. On stage, you can change the property. According to the requirement, we can change the property of the object. We can change the fill color also. We can change the stock size also. So I have made 3 new keyframe. One keyframe was already available at the one frame. So if you want to play it, you can go to the control menu and then just click on play, or either you can press the enter key. So now you can see the animation, frame by frame animation. If you want to test your movie, just press Control plus Enter. The movie will be played. So like that, we can play our movie. You can test your movie, or either you want to play it or you want to test it. So like that, we can create as many keyframe as we want. So this is called frame by frame animation. If you want to close this, so just click on the close button, or if you want to play here only, so just click on play option under the control menu, or just press the enter key. Then according to the keyframe, it will be played.